Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is part two for Patreon September 2025. We're looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy the video, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon. We have two models that's going to be released by the end of this week. It's Ellen Joe and Evil Eye from Disegia. And yeah, check out our Discord and vote for your following figure future as well. Well, anyhow, we got a Twin Goddess miniature. It's also good for D&D for it as well. They make some pretty cool ones as well. And they're really well made and well printed. So we have looks like a Thiefling, Barbarian, or Fighter, Cleric, but this is a Goblin Mimic. Goblin and a Mimic as well, or you make that into a Luring Mimic in many ways. Looks like an Elf. Um, I don't know what this one is. Probably a Spellcaster for it. We have an Elf Fighter. Be a dark elf fighter, or you can be a regular elf fighter. It's like a thiefling barbarian or a fighter. I know there's clerics that use two-handed warhammers. There is a peasant uh, oni, but you can make that into a tiefling if you like, with one horn. And it looks like a hex blade, or yeah, it'd be a hex blade or a warlock or an elder knight or something like that. There's another fighter, human. Oh, it's an electrified sword as well. Actually, pretty cool. That's gonna be a lot of tedious work in many ways for that. Epic Miniature, they don't have the whole lineup yet until like mid or end of this month. But check them out for a whole bunch of miniatures for D&D and other like terrains and stuff. It's a lot. Like this is not all of it. This is all of it for August right here. The terrain set, they did throwbacks and everything. So actually, it's well worth it in my opinion. Well, let's see what they have for September. We have King Ghidorah, I believe it's called, the three-headed dragon from Godzilla. This is native magic. The Trinity Horned Wyvern. This is a Raven Shaman. This could be a druid, mostly, or a priest of the Raven Queen. Raven Swarm. We do need a lot more ravens. Native tribe. So you're going to Native Americans. Looks like it in many ways. It's good to have. Bisons is good to have. Cactus Golem. I'm printing that just for the hell of it because it looks so freaking cool. I do like the face coming out. I have a cactar mini that I have, and I gotta print a jumbo cactar for my game just for the hell of it when I go to the desert. Eagle Spirited Shaman. So I think this would be good for like druids that wants to be based in Native American culture in many ways. Cobalt Shaman. That's actually pretty good to have too. Lizard Folk Etin. That's something good to have. Native Adventures, more Native Americans. Native Girl, whole bunch. Wolf Spirit Huntress. That could be a ranger. They should have like a spirited ranger class. I don't know if they have that or not. But this September 1, Snow Orcs. We have Orc Village Scatter. That's good to have. ETP Bridge. We have a Snow Orc tribe. I do not know what a Snow Orc tribe really looks like. I'll probably look it up later on, like what their skin tone. I'm guessing it's like dark or light blue. But there's also a blue orc that lives in the Underdark as well, and they're really nasty in many ways. This is the first time hearing about a snow orc. This is Walrus Folk Huntress, Barbarian Fairy, Northern Bugbear, yeah, Polar Bear, Penguins, for female adventurers, Walrus Folk Warrior, Orc Chief, good to have, Dark Orc. That's what they were called. The one that lives in the Underdark. This is actually pretty cool because they're actually like real versed in blacksmithing. Magical frost bear. I should print some of epics, more of epics. Crystal dragon. This crystal, I would just print it with clear resin and just give a little nice little dark wash and wipe off the excess for it so that there's like impurity in the crystal in many ways. RN Studio. This is another miniature. I think we're getting Sin City. I have not watched that movie in a very long time. And then September release for it. We got video game characters that I only probably know like one, but yeah. The second one is RPG, another RPG one. I think this is from Dragon Quest because this is, reminds me of that and also Dragon Ball. What's that? King Bull has a pig face nose, and now we have some D&D characters over here, and that'll be it for that. Rescale miniature, a very good one. They also be used to be called Lord of Prince. We got let's see here, September 1, Big Demon. That's cool. We also got, it looks like a dragon of some sort. Another dragon. Huh, more dragons. I think they more look, they don't look like Raven, they just look like corrupted dragon, like the probably fiendish or purple dragon. We have a demon on, looks like a clockwork in many ways. I'm gonna go faster on the things to look. There's a lot more stuff. I don't know how. I think we can use them, create that into a war engine for the game. That I can tell. That means you're gonna have to make a little pinpoints of like energy coming out for it. Let me check because I don't like looking at the same shit. So we got some individual ones as well. That's a lot of stuff. Ours Guild, another D&D. We already got Harpies last month. I don't know what this month is. Oh yeah, the Frost Elves, the Snow Elves. We're getting a lot of like stuff that has to do with snow. So we got some Snow Elf. What the color they look? Oh, really, really pale bluish white. So they put like sky blue and white into it. But yeah, I don't think this because I do have one Icewind Dale game, and I know the Snow Elves came out in I believe 3.5, one of the elemental stuff. Is this purple worm or frost worm? They look like purple worm, to tell you the truth. They don't look like frost worms at all. The ones that I know of, frost worms. Riders, we got some elves, barbarians, shamans. I do like this one right here. It looks like an ice wall. And then you have an ice frost giant. That's a huge piece compared to that. If this is like 32 or 28 millimeter scale, that's a huge frost giant. Another big frost giant too. Very elegant. There's one without the armor. Well, yeah, I guess that is what it is. White Werewolf. I don't know if you have anything out yet. Looks like we're getting some demon ones as well. Oh, why not? Go check it out quickly. So we have a demon lady, seductress, or I think it would be called succubus or something. We have a bard. We have Thip Greenfield, the traveling merchant. We also have Al Ale Housemaid, So this looks like Skyrim character modded. That looks so cool. We got orc chef. We got chefs of different kinds. And this is bandits of different kinds as well. Furnitures, mimic outhouse, mimic barrel. That's kind of cool. Your bust. And that'll be it. Well, yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.